This is where I'm at right now. You can tell the exhaust ain't on there. I gotta bend it to keep that fucking pedal out the way. A long time ago. That bracket gave me some trouble. It took me a couple times to get this here figured out where I wouldn't hit my pedal on my casing. And also, I felt like before it was at such an angle that my chain coming out of here, going down to, well, when I put my 40 tooth or whatever, I felt like, if you can see down there, the chain was going to hit this, which is, I guess that's the casing for the nut. Fucking truck went by, scaring my chickens. Here they go. You're on fucking velociraptors. Anyways, that's it so far. I gotta put the 44 tooth on. I'm about to bend my exhaust so my pedals don't hit, and then I gotta figure out my handlebars. I might swap my handlebars out for today since my throttle grips won't go on up here around the bulls, the horns, because I got a thumb throttle coming a couple days in the mail. So I might just put some flat bars on so I can put my grips on and ride. We'll see. We'll see what I can do about this exhaust. Alright, so the exhaust. See where she's hitting. Don't mind my chickens, they're doing their egg song. You can hear it. It's not bad since I adjusted everything. Let's look at it. Bink, right there. So I'm just gonna barely heat this sumbitch up. Try to bend it a little bit. See if you guys can see this. Get it all tightened out here. Out of the way. You can't really tell when they welded that. There's a good little angle of it. You can see on this side here, the pipe itself is sunken way down into the fucking bracket where they welded it. It was not even close to fucking straight. Now that's China for you. There's a real good angle of it. I'm gonna have to try to fucking grind it down on this side over here. Bink, bink, bink. Right there, that edge, listen. See if I can't grind that motherfucker down. Be back. You see where I grounded it? Looks a lot better. Still got a little edge on it. Fuck if that ain't better than it was. This gonna cause a fucking leak for sure. See if we can't bend this motherfucker. Alright, see. See how she acts. I can do this shit one handed. I'm gonna tripod for some broken. Kentucky for you. Alright. Finally got her all done. I turned the fucking camera off because I can't do nothing with one hand. There she is. Let's look at the clearance. Come on, Clarence. What you got? Ah, but goddamn. You can't even see the clearance in there. Clarence went to a private school. His parents had a real good marriage. I guess it'll be alright if I don't burn my fucking shoes. Cruising. We'll see. Alright, next up. I gotta drop that fucking seat, dude. All the way. It's going down. It's about to go down. We'll be back. Got the torch back out. This some bitch is stuck. See if heating the some bitch up don't break it loose. It helps sometimes. Well, that didn't work. I'll try to get the seat off another way. I think I'm gonna spray it. Guess you can see that. Put that fucking thing down. Got a goddamn can of fucking PB blaster somewhere in this motherfucker. I can't fucking find it. Probably going to use this WD. Fucking can't find that goddamn. No way. Alright. Probably ain't gonna do nothing. Just spray the fuck out of my motor. Can't tell. Don't make fun of my little screwdriver. You can't tell. That motherfucker's got the finest fucking point on it. Like a little knife blade. There you go. Maybe I can get that in the crack. Anything, I'm just gonna work the rust off the edges and then try to beat it in with a fucking mallet. We'll be back. That gray rooster's fucking that red rooster's hens. He don't like that. That red one, he's a fighter. Look at him go. Look, he's got his little wing down. He's like, what are you doing, motherfucker? Anyways, I was taking this fucking thing off. I'm gonna go in here, put some fucking holes in it. Goddamn chickens everywhere. Get out of here. Go on. It's your big butt. Go on now. You're gonna shit my floor. Go lay your eggs somewhere else. Got a light. Put some holes in this son of a bitch. I might do 2 down here, 3 up there. Don't mind that. That's the fucking air compressors letting out the air. That's as far as I got today. As you can see, I didn't move that fucking tire. Right. The tire. I didn't move that fucking seat. I smacked the fuck out of it. I smacked it so hard. Look at all them scratches I put in it. I smacked that some bit so hard this nut down here actually holds the seat poles on. Came loose. I fucking bent this out with a fucking screwdriver. Beat to death. It ain't doing nothing. I'm probably just gonna leave it. Just fuck it. Let it look good. Yeah. Here in a little bit after lunch, I might have some chicken for lunch. After lunch, I'm gonna take that fucking fixed gear off, and I'm gonna put that 44 tooth sprocket on here, and I'm gonna check the chain, make sure it runs right. I'm just worried about it catching on this bolt right here. It's got that bracket. If you can't see it. Can't really see it, but it's this piece right here. Right there. Afraid it. We'll see. That damn air compressor's going wild. Well, I'm gonna take it and put it up and go eat some lunch. We'll catch back up on the flip side. Peace.